The brand that we've launched today right across the Pacific embodies our history, the region which we operate, the cultures which we connect to, the cultures that we are a part of. And it looks forward while paying immense respect to the foundations of our organization and those that came before us. Right across the Pacific, we are introducing our new brand, our new logo to our customers, to our staff. Our story began in 1957 in Port Moresby, 68 years ago, and since then we've grown into the largest financial institution in the South Pacific. We take great pride in our roots. Tonight is a special night when we embrace a bold new chapter, one that honors our legacy while paving the way for our future. A new identity represents more than a new look. It signifies a promise to our customers and communities. A promise that BSP is uniquely placed to deliver on.
BSP Bank Fiji transitions into wholly owned subsidiary, a strategic move for the future. Suva, Fiji, the Bank of South Pacific BSP, financial group, a dominant banking entity in the Pacific region, has officially announced a conversion of its BSP Fiji branch into a wholly owned subsidiary named BSP Financial Group Fiji, Pte. Limited. This structural change, which takes effect on January 1st, 2025, marks a significant milestone in the bank's long-term strategy for operational enhancement and market positioning. A milestone in regional banking. BSP Financial Group, headquartered in Papua New Guinea, has long been a key player in the Pacific's financial landscape, with operations spanning multiple nations, including Fiji, Solomon Islands, Samoa, Tonga, and the Cook Islands. The transition of its Fiji branch into a subsidiary represents a calculated step towards ensuring more localized and efficient operations. Speaking on transition, BSP Group CEO Mark Robinson stated, "This move will allow us to further align with best international banking practices while ensuring our Fijian operations continue to thrive and serve customers with greater autonomy." Robinson emphasized that the restructuring does not signify a change in ownership. BSP Financial Group remains firmly in control of its Fiji operations, with a subsidiary model designed to provide enhanced operational flexibility, regulatory compliance, and strategic growth. Why convert to a subsidiary? The conversion of BSP's Fiji branch into a subsidiary follows global banking trends, where multinational institutions establish local subsidiaries to manage jurisdiction-specific regulatory requirements more effectively. Fiji's banking sector has seen increased regulatory scrutiny in recent years, prompting financial institutions to strengthen governance and risk management frameworks. By transitioning into a subsidiary, BSP Fiji will be subject to the full regulatory oversight of the Reserve Bank of Fiji as a distinct legal entity, rather than as an extension of its Papua New Guinea parent company. This restructuring allows BSP Fiji to enhance financial autonomy. A subsidiary operates as an independent entity with its own balance sheet, improving its ability to manage liquidity and capital requirements tailored to the Fijian market. Ensure regulatory compliance. Compliance with the Reserve Bank of Fiji's evolving regulatory framework will become more streamlined under a subsidiary model. Strengthen local decision-making. With its own board and governance structure, BSP Fiji will be able to make localized strategic decisions without relying entirely on directives from Papua New Guinea. Facilitate future growth and expansion. The new corporate structure enables BSP Fiji to explore more strategic partnerships and expansion opportunities without constraints tied to its branch status. Implications for customers. For BSP's customers in Fiji, the transition is expected to be seamless. The bank has assured its clientele that existing banking products, services, and accounts will remain unchanged. Customers will continue to access the full suite of retail, business, and digital banking services without disruption. Moreover, the conversion presents potential benefits for customers, including improved service delivery. As a separate entity, BSP Fiji will have greater flexibility to introduce customer-focused innovations tailored to the local market. Stronger financial stability. A subsidiary model enhances BSP Fiji's ability to raise capital and manage risks, strengthening the bank's long-term sustainability. Localized banking policies. Decision-making processes will become more attuned to the needs of Fijian customers, ensuring a more responsive banking experience. Industry reactions and market response. The announcement has been met with optimism within Fiji's financial sector. Economic analysts view the move as a strategic evolution that could reinforce the bank's market position. Dr. Rahul Singh, an independent banking analyst, remarked, BSP's decision to convert its Fiji operations into a subsidiary aligns with global trends in financial governance. This restructuring should enhance the bank's resilience while offering more customized financial solutions for Fijians. Competitors in the banking sector are also closely monitoring the development. As BSP strengthens its foothold, rival banks operating in Fiji, including ANZ, Westpac, and Bank of Baroda, may need to reassess their strategies to remain competitive. Regulatory endorsement and government support. The Reserve Bank of Fiji has been involved in discussions regarding the transition and has expressed support for the move. In a statement, the central bank acknowledged BSP's initiative, noting that the shift aligns with regulatory efforts to bolster the integrity and autonomy of banking operations in Fiji. Fiji's government, too, has welcomed the decision, citing potential economic benefits, such as increased employment opportunities and stronger financial resilience. Minister for Economy and Trade, Honorable Ayaz Syed Kayum, stated, BSP's move reflects confidence in Fiji's banking sector and regulatory environment. This transition will further strengthen our financial infrastructure and contribute to long-term economic stability. Looking ahead, the future of BSP in Fiji. BSP's conversion to a subsidiary model is expected to pave the way for new investment and growth opportunities. The bank has hinted at potential expansions in digital banking, microfinance initiatives, and enhanced SME, small and medium enterprise, lending programs. While the transition presents operational and regulatory adjustments, BSP's leadership is confident that the shift will ultimately enhance the bank's competitive advantage. CEO Mark Robinson reiterated, "This is about building a stronger, more adaptable BSP in Fiji. Our customers, employees, and stakeholders will all benefit from a more independent, yet fully integrated financial institution." With its new subsidiary status set to take effect in 2025, BSP Fiji stands at the threshold of a transformative era. The transition signifies not only an evolution in corporate structure, but also a reaffirmation of BSP's commitment to Fiji's banking landscape. As the financial sector adapts to changing global and regional dynamics, BSP's move is a clear testament to its vision for sustained growth and customer-centric service. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Much love and stay blessed.